Hello, this is Raghu from Creative Print and Pack, Hyderabad, India. Today we are going to discuss about brand packaging. So what is brand packaging? What is it useful? Is it right tool to promote your product? So what are the key advantages? And is it worth to invest amount on packaging? Let's have a discuss. First of all, I want to introduce my company, Creative Print and Pack, world's first concept oriented packaging company. And we do design and manufacturing the complete packaging solutions. Especially, we are specialized in concept oriented packaging, like monocartons, corrugated boxes, and hang tags, price tags, paper bags, cascades, waterfalls, and canisters and rigid boxes, PP and PET boxes. So we have wide range of opportunities, and here we want to express few things about packaging. Whenever we think about packaging solutions, the first concern is costing. So price is the ultimate thing. Price is ultimate thing. So due to tough challenge in the global market, we should offer maximum to minimum range of products, like maximum in the sense luxury products, minimum in the sense basic products. So whatever kind of product is there, we must give at certain rest. So if we give the rest of the product, if we give rest of the product, it will sustain the market. Okay. The rest point is costing. It's the biggest challenge. At CPP, Creative Print and Pack, we are working, do trailings at target prices. And we understand a global war, competition war is going in between the brands and new coming brands, means upcoming brands. So whatever it is. So in that point of view, we should consider product capability first of all, and what is the occupy market, product occupy market, and range. For example, bakery products is there. So what is the scope? We should find out the scope. And for example, mobile gadgets is there, spares is there, or else garment accessories, innerwear, outerwear is there. So whatever it is, like apparels, beverages, liquor bottles, like that. So whatever it is, so we should find out the market scope. If we invest the amount on particular product packaging, how much we should get return, that called ROI, return of investment, we should analyze. Then only we will fix the target budget on the product packaging. Let's have a look how to fix the targets on product packaging. Let's start. See, first of all, we should analyze our product market, revenue, generation of revenue, and next the margin, sale margin is there, no? Sale margin we should analyze. In that sale margin, we should keep some part, 1 to 10% for product packaging. See, why this fellow is saying 10%, which is huge? I suggest to my clients, you can invest 100% on product packaging. It should return. It should return. It compulsory return. It compulsory return. Because, see, first consideration while we are going to shop or store or online e-commerce, first we are seeing the way of packaging, the way of pattern, the way of designing. Packaging design is first sight, love at first sight, no? So the consumer will fall in love at first sight. So in that ratio, in that manner, you can invest the amount up to 100%. Not a deal. Majority people they're thinking, why should we invest much more amount on packaging? And people telling you can give any kind of works, you can just keep inside and sell it. Is it not right? Is it not right? That kind of business, it can't sustain long time. It can't sustain long time. So if you want to your product sustain long time in the market, if you want to your product give tough competition in the market, you must invest on product packaging, design and product design also. See, product packaging also important, and type, product design also very important. See, nowadays you are seeing, for example, earbuds, like liquid detergents, the way of product design, the handle, bottles is coming, the shape of bottle is coming, whatever it is, the product design is a key factor in sales point of view. In the same manner, in the same way, product packaging also very important. First attempt is product packaging, second attempt is product design, third attempt is brand. The scenario is going to change, consumer way of thinking is going to change, because they are read and study each and everything. Read and study each and everything. If a ex-consumer or new coming consumer, if you want to attract new consumers, there is a only way, keep changing the product packaging designs and product designs. Then only you can get the market, good market, and you can increase your market share.